We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, this is normally said as blurred, blurred. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as blurred, blurred in American English versus blurred in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.